Make a slip stitch in the third stitch. Skip 2 stitches in the third stitch. Crochet 10 double crochets. Wind. Pass through the stitch. Wind. Make a chain stitch and pull up the loop. Cut off by scissors. Remain the yarn longer. Like this. And assemble it from this. Wrap it like this. This is the shape of rose. Adjust the shape. Adjust this place. Fold this place in half first. After folding, thread the yarn into needle. After folding, pass through this place. Yarn over. Wrap it like this. Pass through this place. Like this, yarn over. Find the place for it to pass through and fix it. Go on. Pass through this place, yarn over. Go on. Pass through this place. Pass through this place. Also this place. This is okay. Adjust it. Thread the other yarn into a needle. Pass through the bottom. Yarn over. Yarn over to the other part. A rose is done, make a dead note with the 2 yarn. The main part of the rose is done.